Hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. If you're new here, my name's Tim, and this channel is all about the throttle. But anyway, let's get down to what this video is all about. Recently, I had the chance to attend the 26th annual Mopar Southern Classic in Clay City, Kentucky at the Kentucky Dragway. That's a really cool place if you ever have a chance to go. I ran into a very interesting person there. His name is Lee Krause. Are you familiar with that name? Well, if you're not, you'll be familiar with this name, I'm sure. Mr. Norm. That's right, the Mr. Norm who had Grand Spalding Dodge in Chicago in the 60s and 70s. Well, sadly, Mr. Norm passed away February 27th, 2021, and he was 87 years old. But Lee, his son, is here to, Lee decided he's going to carry on his dad's name and make sure his dad's not forgotten, which of course, if you're a Mopar fan, it's going to be hard to forget Mr. Norm. He was, his dealership was one of a kind. He owned Grand Spalding Dodge in 62 to 1977, and his focus was all on high performance, and it helped his dealership become the largest Dodge dealership in the world, especially known about all the high performance cars, which was really cool. Wish I could have had a chance to go there back in the 60s or early 70s and order a super stock, lightweight factory drag car or something. Wouldn't that be cool to have right now? Wow, and those suckers are big money, very rare, high dollar, super cool. But anyway, I want to share with you Lee and his car that he brought to this show at the Mopar Southern Classic. I think you'll like it. So let me get the cameras turned around. I'll show you Lee in his car. How you doing?
Thanks.
How much are your t-shirts?
20 bucks.
Okay. And I bought one of them a long time ago at the Mopar Nationals.
Yeah,
Don't wore it out.
These are the in memory of my dad.
Okay.
So we came out with these obviously after February.
Yeah.
It's this one.
How much are the mouse pads?
Those are 25 bucks.
Okay.
Are they?
Oh, they're all
Oh,
signed?
those are actual signatures.
Those are authentic signatures.
Here, get all this. What, under or whatever?
Still on the grass?
We put it somewhere.
These magnets. What's the story on the Challenger?
The story is that once I used to go to all the shows with my dad to sell his memorabilia.
Yeah.
You know, for quite a few years, and I used to always tease my dad. I called him Pops.
Right.
I said, Pops, you know, you're number one in the world, okay? How can you let your son drive up to your shows in a Toyota pickup truck? He says, you'll have your day, son. I said, really, Pops? Like, you need to die first for it? Yeah, pretty much. So, guess what happened? They just picked up July 7th. Brand new.
Okay.
2,300 miles on it.
Well, that's it?
That's it.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Appreciate your appreciation for my dad.
Yeah.
And get the floor mats too, because
Okay.
there's Mr. Norman on it. It's kind of cool. And the sill plate.
Oh, nice. Smells new.
Oh yeah. Probably won't never not smell new.
How'd you get the floor plates made like that? Those kick plates, those are nice.
This is my dad's Mr. Norm's 1320 GSS pack.
Okay. All right.
You order them on Mr. Norm Amazon.com from Larry, who's the president of the Misnomed Vehicle Packages. So my dad died. I said, Larry, you know what I want? He says, what do you want on it? I said, that's your choice. I want everything, but make it good. I said, this is what I got.
Okay.
But I love this package though. You know,
So anyone could order a Challenger like this with this package?
I ordered it strictly for yes, from the factory, and it was made especially for me.
Okay. Very cool. Thank you.
Well, no, thank you very much. Here's my card. We do have this.
The mango. Yeah. I gotta remember that. Yeah, don't forget that was. And they said your phone.